Okie dokie folks, this is the Ego pressure washer my wife and I have just purchased. I'm going to be showing you the unboxing today. We absolutely love these Ego tools. We've been using them for a few years now, lawnmowers, garden trimmers, and of course now this pressure washer too. So we find the 56 volt batteries are just so powerful. This pressure washer does require 2 of them, so just bear that in mind. Okay, they're not cheap. You will need 2. We had 2 anyway, so that's not a problem. Ego are recommending a minimum of 2 6 amp hour batteries. Now, we actually have a 7.5 amp and a 4 amp, so we're slightly under the minimum in total, but as you'll see later on in the video, that's absolutely fine for us. This still works without issue. Now, aside from the pressure washer itself, which, by the way, I will say does have that fantastic Ego quality to it. It's quite heavy, but it is on wheels, so easy to maneuver about. But yeah, apart from the pressure washer, you do get a number of accessories included in the box, including a selection of nozzles. Assembly took about 5 minutes, wasn't difficult, just needed to stick everything together. And for our first test, as you can see, our patio area is a little bit grubby, so perfect for the pressure washer to be trialled out on. And we were very happy, actually. Some very promising results here. The 3200 PSI of max power absolutely competes with some of the premium pressure washers you can get that are not battery powered. That said, from this first test, battery life may be a bit of a concern. Our 2 batteries were both on about 50%, and we were able to go for about 10 minutes, although we were switching between the low, high, and turbo modes, since you can easily switch between those with the click of a button, just to try those out. However, if we were on full battery charge and just use the low option, then I reckon we could probably get about 40, maybe 45 minutes of use out of this. But honestly, our first impressions have definitely been positive. If you are familiar at all with any of Ego's tools, you can kind of know the sort of quality you can expect here. Yes, they're not the cheapest tools on the market, but we've always seen them as a little bit of an investment, since they are definitely built to last. And because they require very little maintenance, there's just so little to go wrong. So yeah, we've been loving these Ego tools, and we are happy to add this pressure washer to our collection. So if you're looking for one yourself, yeah, this might be worth checking out.